So we just installed new flooring here at this house. Now we ran into a pickle because we used self-leveler to raise up any low spots, right? So this was a low spot, and now that we got it all self-leveled and tile installed, now the door won't open. First thing I'm gonna do is pop out the door pins. And if you're wondering what tool, oh, it's a nail punch. You just go like that. In reality, I can cut this relatively straight without needing like a straight edge. But for demonstration purposes, I want to butt this up to here, right? Bump it up to the edge like this. And then right where that's at is where you're gonna go. Now that you have your door cut, take everything off. Let's go make sure this door fits. And now the moment of truth. Will it open? Blizzam! I'm Jay the Creator, and that came out pretty juicy if you're asking me.